is Chene Evangelista and I am 15 years old. I came from Philippines and I'm gonna sing Bell by Emma Watson. Little town, it's a quiet village. Every day, like the one before. Little town full of little people waking up to say, there goes the baker with his tray like always. The same old bread and rolls to sell. Every morning just the same, since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town. There must be more than this provincial life. Oh, isn't this amazing? It's my favorite part because you'll see. Here's where she meets Prince Charming, but she won't discover that it's him till chapter 3.